The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Bastrop County, west central Fayette County, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Rosanke, or 13 miles southwest of Smithville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Smithville, Cistern, Rosanke, Balloon, Buescher State Park, Togo, String Prairie, Pilver, Jetto, West Point, and Kirtley. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado.